When you're ready.
Hello and welcome to Memphis, Missouri, home of the Scotland County R1 Tigers. Scotland County R1 Schools is a rural school here which resides within the city limits of Memphis. A couple things I'd like to touch bases with you. My name is William Reckenberg. I am the mayor of Memphis, and I'd like to welcome you for being here with us today. The city of Memphis is a very diverse community. We all work together, just like this project here. We are undeniable. We want to achieve the best things that we can for our community. A little about myself. I am a 16-year military combat veteran. I participated in the first Gulf War. I was awarded Southwest Asian Medal with 3 Bronze Stars. I separated from the service in 1994. My wife and my 2 daughters, which go to school out here. My oldest daughter is out of school now. My youngest daughter is a senior. She is an A+ student, and that shows a lot for our community and for our city and for our school, our staff, and our faculty. When students excel to the level of A+ standards, that means that we are there for them and they are there to achieve. I let my daughter and everybody in the community know that there's no task that is too hard for anybody to accomplish. It's undeniable. Our community is a great place to live. We have all sorts of amenities. We have physical fitness center, we have bowling alley, we have hotels, we have everything you'd find in a bigger city. We're a class 4 city, population a little bit over 2,000. We're a small rural niche community. People work together and support each other in every different ways. Again, we find ourselves undeniable for the fact that we come together. When the going gets tough, we get going. As a whole, the city works in conjunction with the county. As I stated earlier, we are a rural district school. We have other communities that go to our school also. Myself and my wife grew up here in the city of Memphis, rural Scotland County. I am a 1983 graduate. My wife is a 1982 graduate. So when we separated from the service in '94, after traveling all around the world, 3 different tours in Germany, stationed out in Kansas, out in Colorado with our 2 young daughters, we knew that we were coming back to Memphis, Missouri, and home to the Scotland County R1 Tigers is where we wanted our girls to go to school. That's a key point for us. Once you've been around this world and you've been in different communities, you see a lot of things. And the close niche here, the way people support each other, is just, it's undeniable. I mean, you cannot focus any better on that. In a larger community, you do not have the unity that we have in such a small community that we have here. It's just, again, undeniable. And I believe that our school, our staff, our faculty, the parents, everybody as a whole, these young men and women that go to school here and achieve these standards and excel above them, is completely undeniable. And I believe that our school should be #1 for this competition. I hope that they receive first place in this competition. Don't really know a whole lot more to say other than the fact that, again, as a whole, staff, faculty, parents, kids, all the way from kindergarten on up, I don't want to say we're overachievers, but we achieve. And that's what it's all about, doing what's best for everybody in the community. So, having said that, I hope that Scotland County R1 is not denied, because we are undeniable, and I want them to achieve the best standards that they can, and to receive this would be an excellent push forward. Again, I mean, as a freshman here in Scotland County R1, I myself lettered as varsity. And if we didn't have that drive to go forward and do those kind of things, you know, young kids going into high school, first off, you know, a whole lot of them don't letter in varsity sports. So it's in the community. It's how you're brought up, and it's how you know, you're undeniable. We want to achieve the best that we can. So I don't know what that gives you there for